So since we are on karma, I have a question on that. I fully understand that it has to be where the suffering or pain
Yes.
happens. So there's two questions. One is, I throw trash on the street and I say I didn't hurt anybody.
No.
But actually I hurt everybody.
Yes. No, that is karma.
That is
See,
karma. Because I hurt everybody.
especially for example, if you have a common understanding, we will not throw trash in the street.
Right.
Then that is karma.
Yes. Okay.
For example, there are public life understandings.
Yes.
I will not kill you, you will not kill me. I will not spit on you, you will not spit on me. These are all the public life understandings. The moment we decide to exist in a place where this understanding is a lifestyle, I am committed to it. For example, if I am living in a village or county where cleanliness is declared understanding, if I cross that, it is karma. For if I am living in a village where it is not a declared understanding, then it is not a karma.
Yeah. Now, taking it one step at a time.
Yes.
If I did not do the karma, somebody else did it, but I got a benefit out of it. I invest in the shares of a company that violates rules. And I make more money doing that than if I invest in something else. So I know that this is how they're making their money. Knowingly I'm investing and I am getting the benefit also. I'm not directly causing pain, but I am a beneficiary.
What I am saying, when you are a beneficiary, you indirectly support them and encourage their activity.
Yes.
So the indirect karma comes.
That is indirect karma.
Yes.
Okay. So now it means that one could think of a idea of corporate karma. So
if somebody is investing in tobacco company, he gets the suffering of killing people.
Yeah, so if
you smoke, you don't get any karma.
Yeah, because you're only hurting yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
But if you are investing in the tobacco company, that person gets karma.
So if there's a company that's dumping chemicals and causing harm, does the company have a karmic account?
See what I am saying?
Whose karmic account?
Not the company, all the decision makers.
Yes.
Each person decides, gets the karma.
The employees, if they're
Yes.
in decision makers, shareholders because they get profit.
What I am saying, not only they get profit, they are supporting these decision makers.
Yes.
So they get that indirect karma.
Right. Okay, that's very.
So, but it all boils down only to violence. If there is no violence, nobody gets karma.
So is there a karma also for a community? Because this community was built, let's say, so the land was taken from Native Americans and the productivity was done by slaves. So many companies which we know today, like Philip Morris, the big cigarette company, were built on slavery of tobacco. And, Rockefellers, the Standard Oil Company, they took all this land because they found the Native Americans had land with oil, so they got rid of them. So the whole industry and the billionaires, many of them were built on the back of genocide.
Whoever is beneficiary receives the karma.
They are receiving.
Actually, if you are a beneficiary of your father's wealth,
Yes.
you also incur the mental setup of him.
Yeah.
So, if you break that mental setup, you can free yourself from the karma.
So there can be a karma for people who are citizens of a place because their prosperity.
See, what I am saying, if the society is built in certain way,
Right.
if you are hooked to that grid and getting benefited, that thought current comes to you and you incur that karma. If you are out of the grid and you say no to that thought current, you are free from that karma.
So the only way to live in a country and not be party to their collective karma from the past is to become a sadhu. A sadhu. Yeah, because a sadhu is off the grid.
So not only off the grid, he disconnects himself from continuation of the thought current.
Yeah.
See, even if you don't promote, if you continue the thought current, you become an indirect supporter.
So this idea of karma is not just personal, one person doing something to another person, but a lot of collective mechanisms.
Yes.
Could be corporates, could be countries, could be whatever.
So that thought current, we need to liberate ourselves from that thought current. Only then we can be free from that karma.
So I have a friend who works for a defense company and they're making all kind of missiles which go shoot all kinds of people. So his discussion with me goes on for the last 20 years and he likes to say that I'm only doing my job.
No.
No, is that so?
No. I'm giving a cosmic legal opinion.
Right.
So I cannot twist that. You see, I surely respect this country's army because this country's army is protecting me. That is personal. But when I give the cosmic legal opinion, I have no right to dilute it. Agama is very clear. Cosmic legal opinion is very clear. You have the right to kill only when your life is at stake. Nowhere killing is justified. Maybe if your life is at stake and that person is protecting that society, that can be justified. But no aggression can be justified.
Swamiji,
These are very precisely described by Sadashiva in Agama. It's an Agama. I am only giving a cosmic legal opinion. I cannot dilute that.
In Mahabharata,
See, what I am saying, those are direct words of Krishna. So Krishna is responsible for that. So Krishna is responsible and he is powerful enough to digest it. See, that situation decisions can be made. But as a cosmic law is there.
Yes.
Yes.
I have 3 questions. The first one is,
That is why, Rajuji, in our Hindu tradition, always the king asks the yes of the enlightened master before starting the war. He has to give yes. Only then the war can be started. 3 things can be started only after the master gives yes. 1, choosing the successor. 2nd, inaugurating a temple. 3rd, going for a war. For all the 3, he has to come physically in the front and do the job. The enlightened masters, all kingdom had enlightened gurus, who were Rajgurus. They have to physically come and initiate the process. He has to give the sword to the king. Kill, I am responsible for all the karma. And he has to put the energy in the temple. I am responsible. Anybody who worships here will be answered. This place is connected to Sadashiva. He lives here. He has to declare. And the successor, I am responsible for this child now. He knows the dharma. He will rule the country. I will be supporting him. He has to give the. So these 3, he has to stand as responsible. Please understand, the reincarnation is not justification theory for us. It is a just theory for us. Reincarnation is not used as a justification in Hinduism. It is just. We always feel it is used as a justification. No, it is just. Difference between justification and just.
Swamiji, question.
I have another question.
Go ahead.
I was facing, when I talk to people about my path and about my guru, I was facing the problem a lot that they said, this might be your path, but it's not my path.
So you don't have to worry about that. Just, even if they say that this must be your path, it means they are giving you freedom. Enjoy.
I know, I was happy about it, but I thought that it might be the right path for them as well.
And what I am saying, if you feel that way, that you let your transformation impress them. Let your transformation impress them.
My last question, I went to a Akashic reading and I asked about my life purpose and they said it's yoga. But this is such a broad word.
So why don't you go and ask again? They will give you the precise readings.
Thank you.
Swamiji, question.
Maybe you guys can have 2-3 sessions just for all the Sadashivam participants.
Hey,
Yes.
Swamiji, question at the back. Agora.
Go ahead.
Here, Swamiji. So this is some follow-up questions based on some answers you gave.
Go ahead.
I was the one who asked the question on the Nitya Dana Yoga class about the investment one. And at that time you said, I should not look at dharma when investing. You gave your grandma's example. But based on the answer to Rajivji now, you are saying there will be karma.
I see, when I said there, I spoke only in the business angle.
Business angle, okay.
I did not talk about the tobacco company.
Okay.
Surely if it is a tobacco company investment, you get the karma of the people who get killed.
I'll never invest in tobacco
No.
companies.
I'm giving, so both are
Yeah.
in a different context,
Sure.
that's all.
Okay, that's one. And the second is about the non-veg. I used to eat non-veg before at one point, but you already know that I'm a total fanatic vegan, and so
Great.
is my karma still
What
staying
I'm,
with
what I'm saying, I have some veto power
Right.
to remove the karma. I have decided whoever commits with me from now they will be vegetarian. I will use my veto power and remove your karma.
Okay.
Understand? See, there are certain veto powers given to the enlightened beings and incarnations to remove the karma.
Right.
They decide to use. So I decide, whoever decides to be non-violent from now. For example, if you say, I am going to be completely vegan, not only vegetarian, I am promoting veganism. Please
Yes.
understand, dairy products you can consume if the animals are not hurt.
Right.
They are treated like how our goshalas. If you go them, we worship them, we revere them, we don't beat them. And the cow can die only by old age, not by any other reason. He cannot be killed for flesh. He cannot be eaten. A cow or a bull or nothing, he cannot be eaten. And it is we don't do any of this mechanical process and all that, making it into bull.
Oh, artificial insemination.
Yes, we don't do all that.
Right.
I'm strictly against it.
Right.
It should all be natural lifestyle.
Right.
So, where they are treated as beings, you can enjoy all those dairy products.
Sure.
Where they are not treated as beings, even those products are non-veg.
Swamiji,
See, the standard of the definition of the non-veg is non-violence.
sure. But there are only very few goshalas in US, entire US, right?
Means ISKCON Goshalas are very non-violent.
Exactly.
I can certify for ISKCON Goshalas.
Correct.
I can vouch for the integrity of the ISKCON Goshalas. They are devoted. They are very devoted to Krishna and they are doing a wonderful job. Other than that, I don't certify any other.
Exactly. Even any organic farm in
Yes.
US also, they raise
See,
the...
unless you go to the depth and you are clear, do not use.
Correct. Okay.
Even all our temples, after you brought it to my notice only, I said, even in all our temples, you cannot use the milk which is brought from violent goshalas. Even if you don't have milk, it's okay. Just pour the water and say, I am pouring the milk, and pouring this water as a milk, that's okay. Sadashiva will accept.
Thank you, Swamiji. I have been
That
getting
is
into
much
controversy
better.
based on
That
this.
is much better than bringing non-violent milk and pouring. Sorry, violent milk and pouring it.
Okay. So last one, just
Yes.
for my personal question, Swamiji. After we moved to our new house, it seems like there's more negative aspects happening.
Oh.
And is there anything you can
No.
help?
I am going to give you the Vastu Yantra, Vastu spiritual alchemy product.
Okay.
I'll make sure it's clear.
Okay, thank you, Swamiji.
See, there are some, I think around 120 spiritual alchemy products are described by Sadashiva, totally. Even though I really wanted to give all the 120, we were not able to make it. Most of them are Sadashivatva, means I have chosen the products which will help you to manifest the powers of Sadashiva. There are 2-3 I have picked up just for your prosperity, like one on Navagraha, one on Vastu, one on Ashtalakshmi, like those things. They are all for your prosperity and happy life. You will be receiving it in next few days.
Swamiji,
And it is all constructed precisely with integrity to Sadashiva's instruction. So I keep that as a, see, even if it is delayed, if I am not able to do, I am not giving. But I am not going to compromise on the integrity with Sadashiva. That I am very clear. And only after I do the QC past, as per Sadashiva's instruction, I am going to bring it to you guys. And because my purpose is to establish agamas are real. My purpose is not making everything, anything and everything alive. My purpose is, end of the day I should make a statement, agamas are real.
Swamiji, Satyojata.
Yes, go ahead.
Swamiji, Nityanandam Swamiji. Swamiji, can I speak in Tamil?
Please, can you get the mic closer?
Can
I
I
think it will
speak?
be good if you speak in English, or let somebody translate for you. You speak
Okay.
to somebody in Tamil and let them translate for you.
Okay, you can.
Give the mic to somebody, let them translate.
Okay. Past 20 years, Swamiji, I am suffering from the skin problem. They say skin allergy. There is no medicine, English medicine or Ayurvedic, Siddha. There is no medicine for that. But
I'll surely help you. Today is the process for the bringing Turyajita into body. Surely I'll help you and see to it you are healed.
Thank
And tell
you,
me,
Swamiji.
remind me also, all the medicines you are taking, give me the list in the energy session. I'll see and then give you some suggestions.
Now I didn't take any medicine, Swamiji.
Then that is good. Then I'll do the job.
Thank you, Swamiji. One more question, Swamiji. While I am hearing your satsang or hearing your kirtan or went to temple, I just pouring my ears by tears.
That is good. See, your blood, if it is churned by suffering and the tears come out, that is wrong. If it is churned by joy and tears come out, that's great.
Thank you,
Enjoy.
Swamiji. Thank you.
Enjoy. If the blood is churned by suffering and tears come out only, is wrong, powerlessness. If the blood is churned by joy and the tears come out, enjoy, celebrate. Cry more.
Swamiji,
As long as the churning mechanism is joy.
Swamiji,
Yes. Which side?
this side, Satyaja.
Okay.
Swamiji, right. When a newborn baby, which state he is in? A newborn baby,
No, that
which
is dependent on the past life. What kind of a being has entered. All newborn, there is no such thing as a standard thing. All the birth is continuation.
so
No
what-
birth is new.
Oh.
He is a new guest to your home, but he is not new to life.
So what time the tantrum throwing
See,
son,
that-
child
that-
starts?
what I am saying. Oh, tantrum throwing child.
What-
See, when I say tantrum throwing child, I mean your belief part of you which you are not able to control. That part only I am giving the name tantrum throwing child. Don't think you have one child sitting inside unless you are pregnant. No. And it is tantrum throwing child. The part of you which you are not able to handle by yourself, by your logical analysis, is tantrum throwing child.
Yeah, and understand that. I'm saying that what age the child experiences the tantrum throwing child inside?
I think maybe by the age of 7.
Swamiji,
Yes.
I have two questions.
Yes, go ahead.
My first question is, can you help me complete with my root pattern and increase
Sure.
my seeking?
Yes.
And my second question, what is the science behind the light body?
What is the
That
science
light-
behind that?
Light body. Light body.
LIGHTBODY.
Yeah.
See, if you are sad and close your eyes and see, you will feel yourself heavy, dark. If you are light, ecstatic, if you close yourself and visualize, you will feel yourself in the light line. Your caricature will be shining. If you are in bliss, that caricature will be just Swayam Prakasa. I don't know the English word for the Swayam Prakasa. Means self-effulgent. Yes, right word. Self-effulgent. That self-effulgent memory about you becoming permanent in you is light body.
Thank you, Swamiji.